Hello and welcome to today's video. So on the workbench today we have a Solectria battery charger. This model number is BC3000, which is a 3 kilowatt battery charger. So it's in for test and repair, and this particular style of battery charger does not turn on unless it sees a battery connected to it, and I don't have a 156 volt nominal battery, so we're faking it out with the Variac so I can adjust the AC voltage going into the bridge rectifier, which gets converted to DC into this capacitor. And then we've got the light bulbs back here, incandescent bulbs to simulate a load as if it was charging a battery. I've also got the voltmeter hooked up. Went ahead and bypassed the temperature probes with a couple of resistors. And yeah, I think we're ready to verify if it works or not. Sometimes I get ones in that work perfectly fine, and it's because of the wiring problems actually on the vehicle side. It's not on the, it's not like anything related to the battery charger. So we'll go ahead. I always want to do the bench test first. If I plug it in now with everything off, you hear it click and then it just flashes the green LED, and it's not putting out any voltage or anything. It's because yeah, it doesn't see the battery attached, so it doesn't turn on. So if we unplug that, go ahead and kick on the Variac here, and we'll crank this up to, I don't know, like 125-ish volts should be enough to make it happy. Or 130, that'll work. And then when I plug it in now it'll see that it's got a battery hooked up to it, and it'll actually try to charge. So plug that in. So it did exactly what the guy said. It ran for a little bit and then shut down. It gives me a red LED over here. So typically this is the bulk charge, and then absorption charge, and then the float charge. And then the green light will turn on when it's done. It might be blinking a yellow error code right now, but the yellow LED broke off in shipping, so it looks like it's damaged. I don't think it's lighting up. It doesn't look like it. So I can go ahead and replace that. But yeah, let me run it again here. You can see on the voltmeter, plug it back in. I think we got up to like 200 volts there, so it's interesting. There's something. Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna have to take it apart and look at it. It's kind of interesting. Normally when they don't work, they just don't power up because it's a power supply problem. This one actually powers up, starts charging, but then stops. So we know the voltage input is working because it can read that it's got a battery attached to it. So it could be the current sensor. As the voltage goes up, it doesn't see any current being output, and so it thinks something's wrong, and shuts down. I don't know. We'll have to definitely take it apart and see if we can find anything really obvious. Otherwise, we're going to actually have to do some troubleshooting. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching.